Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, I think all are fine. Children, every class we learnt about IIT chemistry in 7th class. What is first unit, children? Basic terminology. Basic terminology. Basic terminology. Basic terminology. Previous class we learnt what is types of the reactions. How many types we have, children? 9 types. First, chemical combination reaction. Second reaction, chemical decompose reaction. Third reaction, chemical displacement reaction. Fourth, chemical double displacement reaction. Fifth, redox reaction. Oxidation reaction. Next one, redox reaction. Reduction, oxidation and redox reaction, and comproportion reaction as discomproportion reaction. Previous class we learned what is chemical combination reaction, children? What is chemical combination reaction? Two or more different elements or atoms or compounds combined to form newly single compound. Newly single compound is known as chemical combination reaction. Second reaction, what, children? Chemical decompose reaction. What is chemical decompose reaction, children? What is chemical decompose reaction? One compound divided into two or more elements or compounds or atoms is known as chemical decomposition reaction. Third reaction, what, children? Chemical displacement reaction. What is chemical displacement reaction? Highly reactive elements replaced by less reactive element, and less reactive element displaced by more reactive element. Next, previous class we learned chemical displacement reaction and chemical double displacement reaction. Chemical double displacement reactions are two types. Chemical double displacement reactions are two types. First one, neutralization reaction. Second one, precipitation reaction. What is first chemical displacement reaction, children? What is chemical displacement reaction? Exchange of ions. Exchange of ions in reactant side. Exchange of ions in reactant side. Mutual exchanging of ions in reactant side. Next, how many types chemical displacement reaction, children? Two types. First, neutralization reaction. Second one, precipitation reaction. What is neutralization reaction, children? Acid react with base to form salt plus water. Salt plus water is known as neutralization reaction. Second reaction, precipitation reaction. Two aqueous solution combine to form precipitate. White precipitates will be formed is called precipitation reaction. Now we have discussed oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction. Which type? This one, fifth type. Oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction. Very simple, Nana. Keep in your mind. Oxidation. What is oxidation reaction mean? The oxidation mean lose of electron. Lose of electron. If lose of electron is called oxidation. Lose of electron. Lose of electron is called oxidation. Lose of electron is called oxidation. Next, second point, lose of electron. Next, addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen. Second, first point, lose of electrons to get stable. Lose of electrons mean metals. Lose of electrons mean metals. No. If you lose of electron, metals to get positive charge. So lose of electrons is called oxidation. Lose of electrons is called oxidation. Second point, what, children? Addition of oxygen. Fourth point, oxidation reaction having some properties. First property, lose of electron. Second, addition of oxygen. And removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. Next, fourth point, removal of hydrogen. Fourth point, increasing order of oxidation state. Oxidation state. What is oxidation state? Number. State or number. What is oxidation state or number? According to number. Oxidation states can be expressed in positive, negative, 0. So previous class we discussed on oxidation state lesson also. How we find oxidation number? We learned 14 rules with examples also, children. Okay. So increasing order of the oxidation states. Increasing order of oxidation state. So example what, children? Use of electron to get positive charge. That means use of electrons is called oxidation reaction. Use of electron if any atom use of electron to oxidation reaction. Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, and increasing order of oxidation states. For example, first we take sodium. Sodium, if lose of one electron to get positive charge plus 1. Sodium means if lose of electron, sodium is oxidant. Sodium is oxidant. Oxidation means if lose of electron. Sodium atomic number 11. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. If lose of one electron to get stable, which electron configuration? Yeah. So if lose of sodium element, if lose of one electron to get stable. No need this one, don't write. So sodium if lose of one electron to get positive ion. So if lose of electron is called oxidation. In this year, which process is going on? Oxidation process. Next, for example, magnesium. Magnesium also, which group element on magnesium? Alkali earth metal, second group. If second group elements, 2 electrons lose to get stable. 2 electrons lose to get stable. So here magnesium electrons, 12 electrons we have. If you lose up 2 electrons to get 10 electrons, no. 10 electrons means here electronic configuration. Here means stable electronic configuration. Here magnesium to lose up 2 electrons. Magnesium to lose up 2 electrons to get Mg plus 2. Mg plus 2. Next element, potassium. Potassium also. Potassium which group element? First group element. Potassium. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. All elements are to lose up 1 electron to get stable. Potassium also how many electrons lose? 1 electron. Here negative means lose of electron. Negative means lose of electron. So what is oxidation reaction? Lose of electron is called oxidation. Lose of electron means here how many electrons we lose? Potassium, 1 electron. Next example, sodium, magnesium. Next example, for example, aluminum. Aluminum lose of 3 electrons. Lose of 3 electrons to get plus 3 charge. To get plus 3 charge. Next, aluminum. Sodium lose of 1 electron to get positive charge. Potassium lose of 1 electron to get positive. Magnesium 2 electrons lose to get stable. Aluminum 3 electrons lose to get stable. Next, calcium. Calcium which group element? Calcium which group element? Second group. So 2 electrons lose 2 plus. This is examples of oxidation reaction. Sodium, magnesium, potassium, aluminum, calcium. Second group elements, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. And all second group elements are oxidation. That means lose of electrons. Lose of electron to get positive charge. So increasing order of oxidation states. Increasing order in positive means increase now. Here plus 1, plus 2, plus 1, plus 3, plus 2. Plus 1 means increasing order of the oxidation state. Increasing order. Positive values mean increasing or not. Next, addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen, for example, carbon. If you add oxygen to form CO2. This is one reaction. This is which process going on? Oxidation. So here addition of oxygen means carbon react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. What is oxidation reaction? Reaction lose of electrons to get is called oxidation reaction. If lose of electron to get any atom lose of electron, if metals, we will take metals only. Metals lose of electron to get positive that means oxidation reaction. Loss of electrons, addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, and increasing order of the oxidation states. Increasing order of the oxidation states. Those are examples of oxidation reactions. Example here: sodium 1 electron moves to get stable, to get plus 1 oxidation state. Positive mean cation. Positive mean cation. And magnesium 2 electrons lose to get positive. Potassium 3 electrons lose to get positive. Here aluminum 3 electrons lose. Why? Because aluminum which group element? Third group element. That's why 3 electrons lose to get plus 3 charge. Calcium second group 2 electrons lose to get plus 2. Okay. Those are examples of oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction. What is oxidation reaction? Loss of the electrons is called oxidation reaction. Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, and increasing order of the oxidation states. This is called oxidation reaction. Next, second one, reduction reaction. Sixth type what children? Reduction reaction. Do you understand now? First, what is loss of electrons, addition of oxygens, removal of hydrogens, and increasing order of the oxidation states. Those are examples of oxidation reactions. Next, second one, reduction reactions. Reduction reactions. What is reduction? You know oxidation as well as you know reduction. Oxidation means lose of electrons. Here reduction means gain of electrons. Gain of electrons is called reduction reaction. If metals are having reduction reactions. Why? Because gain of electrons is called reduction reaction. Next, second point, in oxidation reaction, what is second point? Children, what is addition of oxygen? But here, addition of hydrogen. Next, removal of oxygen. Next point, removal of oxygen. Reverse, you know, oxidation as well as slightly opposite reduction reaction. Here, removal of oxygen. So what is examples? Next, fourth point, decreasing order of the oxidation states. Decreasing order of the oxidation states. Decreasing order of oxidation state or number. Oxidation state or number. What is reduction reaction? If gain of electrons to get stable is called reduction reaction. Next, addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen. Next, decreasing order of the oxidation states. What is examples of reduction reaction? For example, fluorine. If fluorine to gain of 1 electron plus mean gain. To gain of 1 electron, for example, fluorine atomic number 9. Obviously, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So 2p here 9 no. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. For example, to gain of 1 electron to get stable 10 electron here fluorine having 9 electrons. If gain of 1 electron to get 10 electrons, that's why stable. Here gain of fluorine to gain of 1 electron to get stable. Which charge form gain of electron to form cation? Cation or anion? So 1 F minus. Minus means if gain of electron to get negative charge. If lose of electron to get positive charge. So here fluorine that's why if chlorine to gain of electron to get stable. In sodium to lose of electron to get stable. Here chlorine how many electrons will be gain? How many electrons gained na? Here 1 electron, C minus or 1 minus. No problem. Next, for example, oxygen. Oxygen which group element? 8th group element. So 6th group element. 6th group element. So here oxygen 2 electrons to gain 2 electron positive mean gain. To gain 2 electrons to get minus 2 charge is stable. For example, oxygen. Oxygen atomic number 8. So if gain of 2 electrons to get 10 electrons. 10 electrons mean neon electronic configuration to get neon electronic configuration. If oxygen to gain of 2 electrons to get stable. Next, nitrogen. Nitrogen also if gain of 3 electrons. If gain of 3 electrons to get minus 3 charge. To gain of 3 electrons to get minus 3 charge. So here fluorine, oxide, nitrogen. Those all are non-metals. Non-metals are acting reduction. Having non-metals are having reduction process. So here those all are non-metals. Fluorine, oxide, nitrogen. Next, bromine also. So bromine, how many electrons to gain to get stable? Bromine also 1 electron to get stable. Br minus 1. So those are examples of reduction reaction. Reduction reaction means to gain of electrons to get stable. The gain of electrons is called reduction. Addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen, decreasing order of the oxidation states. Minus 1 means decreasing order. Minus notation means decreasing order of oxidation state. Decreasing order of oxidation states. For example, addition of hydrogen. One reaction I write one reaction N plus H2 is raised to NH2. N2 plus H2 is raised to NH2. This is addition of hydrogen reaction. Addition of hydrogen reaction N plus H2 is raised to NH2. N2 plus H2 is raised to NH2. So these are reduction reaction. Before we learned oxidation reaction. Keep in your mind, children. All of you practice. Okay, what is oxidation reaction? What is oxidation reaction, Nana? If lose of electron to get stable. The lose of electrons is called oxidation reaction. The elements lose of electrons is called oxidation reaction. Next point, what is oxidation reaction? As second point, removal of addition of oxygen. Next point, removal of hydrogen. Next, increasing order of the energies, increasing order of oxidation state. Increasing order of oxidation state. We learn some examples also. Potassium. If potassium element, if lose of 1 electron to get positive charge, stable. Potassium. Next, calcium. Next example, magnesium, aluminum. We learned some examples also. Next, second reaction, what children? Reduction reaction. What is reduction reaction? Gain of electrons is called reduction reaction. To gain of electrons is called reduction reaction. Next, second point, removal of addition of hydrogens, removal of oxygens. Next, decreasing order of the oxidation states. Those all are examples of reduction reaction. Okay, how many reactions over? 6 reactions. First reaction, what children? Chemical combination reaction. Chemical combination reaction, another name synthesis reaction. Second reaction, chemical decomposed reaction. Chemical decomposed reaction, another name synthesis reaction. Chemical decomposed reaction, another name analysis reaction. Third reaction, what children? Chemical displacement reaction. What is chemical displacement reaction? You learn, children. Okay. Next, fourth reaction, chemical displacement reaction. Today we are discussed third, fifth and sixth. What What is fifth reaction, children? Oxidation reaction. Sixth reaction, reduction reaction. Okay, children, all of you practice those two reactions. I send some bits, no? All of you do that bits. Any doubt you ask to through WhatsApp call, or you send one message, no problem, children. Any doubt you call to me. Okay, children, thank you. See you next class.